So this is where the guys normally catch fish. The wind is getting a little bit hectic, so we will try and so this is the bridge here. Now we've got another bird problem here, some swallows trying to catch the drone. So we just can't catch a break, man. But this is where they are doing the fishing. And I will do a little bit of a fly there, so we can maybe fly. This is where the guy's catching the fish. We will. Okay, so the drone is coming back. Low battery already. Luckily we've got the wind coming this side, so the drone is returning in a high rate of speed, which is helping us a lot. So it's returning to home. Here it comes. So it's hi, hello, come back to Papa, do not crash. There we go. There we go.